Madayaw, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. The Philippines contributes minimally to global emissions, yet bears a disproportionate burden from climate impacts. As we observe Global Warming and Climate Change Consciousness Month, let us recognize that climate change is personal. It affects the land we farm, the waters we fish, the homes we build, and the future we leave our children. This year, 15 typhoons battered our shores, displaced thousands of people, and left communities in poverty and incredible state of destruction. Climate change-related calamities test our resilience and readiness as families, as communities, and as a nation. Let us remind ourselves that our choice matters. How we consume, what we waste, how we build. Each decision either deepens the challenge or helps us adapt, reduce, or prepare for the more adverse effects of climate crisis. The Office of the Vice President has already planted 1 million trees all across the Philippines in just 3 years. This was our commitment in the advocacy to strengthen our defenses against the impact of climate change. I urge local governments to prioritize climate preparation and adaptation in development planning. This should include the preservation and rehabilitation of remaining forests, mangroves, rivers, and seas. Investment in early warning systems is necessary as part of the vision to develop resilient communities. I encourage Filipino families to teach our children that caring for nature means caring for each other. Reduce waste, avoid single-use plastics, and embrace sustainable practices. Let this month ignite a lasting commitment to a livable future, preserved and passed on for generations to come. Mga kababayan, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran!